So in today's video, I will demonstrate how to plot the fixed position or target using TOSTAR. So the given TOSTAR is the Markov and Rosal. So the azimuth of the Markov is 85.2 degrees and the intercept is 5.2 away, and the Rosal is 183.3 degree and azimuth, and the intercept is 6.4 towards. So first, you must plot the DR. So the DR is, the position of the DR is the latitude 44 degrees 10 minutes north and 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So to plot this, you must the number of the, you must put the number or must label the longitude and the latitude. So there, the label of this is 169 and 170. So the counting is there is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And the latitude is to 1. Counting is 1 to 1. So to plot, just put your roller straight to the position of the longitude or latitude, just like this, the longitude and the latitude. So that the first to get the DR. So second is you must plot the first star, the called Markov. So the Markov 85.2 degrees azimuth. So just the roller of the compass, just put 85 and bring in the DR or put in the DR. So just like this, 85 degrees, put in the DR, and this. And just straight line towards, because in the given is towards, rather away, because in the given is away. If towards, just put line here. If away, just like put there here. And put the position is, and put the position and get the intercept next, and get the intercept the 5.2. So get the compass divider, measure in the 5.2, just count in 1 to 5 there, and put in the DR and the line of your 85 or your azimuth there, and put there. So that is your intercept, the 5.2. So the next is to get the PL. To get the PL, just add 90 and minus 90. So your azimuth is 85, so 85.2 degrees. So just add 190 is equal 175. So just put in your roller in the compass, put 175, and bring in the line that in your intercept to DR. So just like this, and draw. So just like how to get the PL in the in the first star or the Markov. So the PL of the Markov is 175 and 175 degrees and 355 degrees. So let's get the position that intercept your PL to DR. So the position of this is, or the ITP is 44 degrees 10, it's the same, is 44 degrees and 10 minutes north, and 169 longitude, 21 minutes is. So that's the first ITP. So second, let's plot the second star or the Rosal. So the given of the Rosal is 183.3 degrees azimuth. So put your roller in the compass and measure in 1 183 degree. 180 degree. Here the 180 degree. So the 180 degree, just move him to the DR. So here the 183 degree, so line here, and that's the second star. So next is you get the intercept, or you got measure the intercept. So the intercept given is the 6.4. So get your compass divider, measure in the 6.4 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and put in the DR and the line your azimuth. So here, so just like here, line in your compass divider, and boom. And next is to get the PL, the PL2, or the PL2 of the star. So you to get the PL, just same procedure in the star one is add and minus 90. So the azimuth is 183. So to get the PL, 183 plus 90 and minus 90. So the PL2 is 270 degree and 90 degree. So just measure in the compass the 273 and 90 degree. So after you measure in the compass, just move in the intercept up to your DR, to your azimuth, and put in the line, just like this. And there, just the line of your, and that the line of your PL of your second star. So, and after that, you get the position that intercept your PL to your azimuth. So the second ITP is the location is 44 degree latitude, 10 minutes north, and the longitude is 169 degrees 21 minutes east. So that's the second ATP. So to get the final position is you must get the intercept, the intercept between the two stars. So the PL1 and the PL2. There, this is the PL1. This line is the PL1. So the PL2 is this. That's the PL1 and the PL2. There. That's the PL2. PL1 and PL2, and this is the fixed position. And that's how you demonstrate the fixed position. To get the fixed position, you must get him the location. So the fixed position is 44, the latitude is 44 degrees 05 minutes north, and the longitude is 169 degrees and 21 minutes east. And that's how you get the fixed position using StoStar. And that's all. Thank you.